Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to attach a Manhattan table base to one of our compact laminate tabletops. Now, unlike the other tabletops where you would use screws, the compact laminate has these grooves which is called German slot technology. The reason for that is that the compact laminate tabletops are quite thin. If you use screws, then you could drill them through the top and you will have damage to your surface. Should you have been provided with screws, please discard them, do not use them, or you will damage your top. Now, take these square-headed bolts, one for each slot, and just slide them in like so. And then line those up with the outer holes here on your table base. It does take a little bit to line them up. Just like so. Now, if you do have high traffic areas, we do recommend that you use, for the compact laminate, some liquid nails. This one's Ultra Nails. You can buy it from Bunnings. It's pretty easy to get. It will bond your table base to your tabletop permanently and they will not come off. But we do recommend them for longevity of the product. Now, you should have got 4 washers, one on each of those. And then 4 of these tiny bolts with the locking nut. Now you're going to need a number 10 spanner to tighten those up. And then finally you've got these little rubber covers for your nuts there, just to cover up any sharp edges you might have, just like that. Now don't forget, for longevity, get some liquid nails and bond that on, and those bolts will hold that until that liquid nails dries. And that is how you attach a Manhattan base to a compact laminate tabletop.